Wheelie.
Rick comes out doing a wheelie.
Oh, man.
Come on, Rick. Oh, the wind.
Careful of the wind.
Oops, sorry about that. That's okay. Sorry, you got bumped off. That's a bummer. Landed on top of me. Wow, wind. I haven't even been on the floor yet.
Now you can. There you go. On it.
27.5. And with the first lap down, we got Rick out front, Justin running second. Elijah running third. Jesse running fourth.
37.6.
Oh, he landed that good. Surprised. I didn't really want to jump with the wind. Come on, come on.
I didn't really want to jump it, but I got to do something against you.
Go.
Just minute need to go. 26.1.
Minute to win it.
7 minutes left.
Win it out, throttle out. 27.7.
Nah, that fits you perfect. Let's go for it. There we go. Oh, yeah.
36.0.
Yeah.
30.2.
Both of us.
Yeah. And here I come on a full power.
How's that dot treat you?
That's nice. I'm kind of just gumming it to death.
27.
That way it lasts.
We got a minute and a half down, 6.5 to go. We got Rick out front, Justin second, Jesse third, Elijah fourth, and Chris fifth. Chris, that is a leader coming up behind you. Let him go by.
40.5.
Chrissy.
28. Oh.
Come on.
6 minutes left.
Come around, see if I can double.
All right, we got
one.
2 down,
There
6
we
to go. Rick out front, Justin second, Jesse third, Chris fourth, Elijah fifth.
Give it some gas. I guess I should say some battery power.
10 scale 2-wheel drive gas truck. You guys want to start working your way over here?
The bumps.
31.7.
Come around the corner, over the roller.
28
In the air, punch it. Get out of control a little. Oh, that was too much.
What are you doing?
1.3.
Had a smooth run until then.
30.2. 29.0.
Little did you know.
28.6.
Yeah, kind of.
All right, we got 3 minutes down, 5 to go. Rick out front, Justin second, Jesse third, Chris fourth, Elijah
Look at that
fifth.
nice setup.
31.5.
Harold Special.
Chrissy, that was the leader.
39.2. $33.2. 40.1.
28.3. 30.1.
Start rolling a lot of.
32.7.
It's too windy out here right now for these.
10 minutes?
31.4. 4 minutes left.
29.
A little bit of dry
32.3.
rock over there.
27.2. 30.4.
Whoa, can you see that?
7. 27 volt.
35.8.
26.5.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to roll these.
Well, I'm trying to get around this guy. Not letting me around. I already bumped him at once. by accident.
All right, we got 5 minutes down, 3 to go. Rick out front, Justin second, Jesse third, Elijah fourth, and Chris fifth.
Oh, man.
Finally got around. 30.8. With a little love tap.
31.6.
27. 2 minutes and 45 seconds left. Still got Rick out front, Justin second, Jesse third, Elijah fourth, and Chris in fifth. 29.5. 25.6. So far, the top two guys are the only ones doing the big double in the middle of the track. 29.1.
Not anymore.
Oh, well, now that I said that, neither of them have done it.
2.3.
What happened, guys? That kind of looked cool.
Windy.
Getting windy. It's inconsistent to do.
Come on. 28.2.
Okay, I'll do it just for you.
Thank you.
Whoa! What did I just hit?
Leave that there.
What did I just hit? Oh my goodness!
Oh, keep that
Did
there.
you see that?
Yeah, that's crazy.
Wow, just like hit nothing on a big rut or something. All right, here we go. Here it is, here it is. There.
Ooh, it does it clean.
You can help me out if you want to do that again.
Yeah, well, whatever that is in the middle of the track, I'm going wide this time.
35.2.
Minute and 40 seconds left. Still got Rick out front with 14 laps,
inside.
Justin in second with 14 laps, Jesse with 13,
Oh, and I found
Elijah
another
with 12, and Chris with 12.
That doesn't work going inside either.
Looks like Rick's going to be putting the whole field a lap down.
32.1.
.26.3, 30.27.8.
37.5.
Justin, you better go for him because he's doing it. He's catching.
1 minute left. There, you see that? You see it?
Yeah, but he's still catching.
I know it. It's not my fault.
Shut up, you're making me nervous! It's starting to shake. Now I'm not going to catch him.
45 seconds left. Rick's out front, Justin second, Jesse third, Elijah fourth. Here we go. Looks like the leader's going to put everybody a whole lap down.
Hey, don't talk yet.
Uh-huh, it ain't over.
39.3.
20 seconds left, guys. 20 seconds
One lap
left.
to do it. One lap to do it.
13.6.
He goes
See if Rick
wide.
can pull it off. See if he can lap the whole field.
Oh, he goes too inside. Here we go, here we go, here we go.
He's trying everywhere he can.
Go, go. Come
Inside
on.
out.
Woo-hoo.
Doing the big
Woo.
step on. Here comes the step on, step
Come
off.
on. Get around him.
He's trying.
Oh, I'm wide open. Wide open.
Coming into the
Wide
straightaway.
open.
Looks like he's not going to get it.
Wide open.
The race is over.